Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset option, and as you can see, we've got the option we're looking for on the very first position, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So if you are ready, just tap on reset settings and wait a second. Or 2 seconds. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.